They say it rose like a mountain from the plain of Shinar, a spiraling tower built by hands united in one purpose, the Tower of Babel. No one alive has seen it, but its shadow stretches across centuries, etched into the memory of humankind. According to the ancient tale, it began with unity. All people spoke a single tongue, worked side by side, and dreamed the same dream: to build a city and a tower that reached the heavens. It was not merely stone upon stone. It was a symbol of ambition, of pride, of defiance. Some say the gods looked down and felt threatened. Others say it was a lesson in limits. But whatever the reason, the story ends the same. Languages shattered, tongues tangled, the people scattered. The tower was left unfinished, its upper stones abandoned mid-sky. Yet for all its mystery, the tower may have had a real-world twin. In Babylon, archaeologists uncovered the remains of a ziggurat called Itamananki, the temple of the foundation of heaven and earth. It stood massive, tiered, and sacred to the god Marduk. Cuneiform tablets mention its reconstruction by Nebuchadnezzar II. One even shows a step tower, eerily similar to medieval paintings of Babel. Was this the inspiration? Or just history turned myth? Over time, the Tower of Babel became more than stone. It became a metaphor for human pride, for confusion, for the price of greatness. Artists painted it, poets mourned it, scholars debated it, and still today, its symbol endures. In every project too big, in every dream that dares the skies, Babel reminds us of both our longing for unity and the danger of forgetting why we build at all. Perhaps the story was never about punishment. Perhaps it was about remembering that even the tallest tower is made of fragile human hands.